Hello, today's tutorial is going to take you through how to set up the chat feature on your HotHealth site. Firstly, make sure you're logged in and click on My Account in the top right, then click on Dashboard. Scroll down until you get to the section settings, Chat. Here you can rename the chat to something that you want it to be named. It could be Chat Forum or it could be Discussion. Next, you need to select whether you want the section visible on your navigation bar. Also select who can create new conversations, whether assistant managers or users can initiate the first conversation. You can also add a legal disclaimer, such as the board is not monitored 24/7. If you require immediate support, please phone. Once you've selected your settings, click Save. Once you've saved, you can see the chat board by clicking Chat on your top navigation bar. To start a new conversation, click the New Conversation button in the top right and choose who you want to talk to. It could be a group or an individual user from your organisation. Type in what you want to say and then add any attachments if you wish. Click Send. You can select whether recipients receive mobile push notifications or email notifications for new chats. If you click on Details, you can also rename the conversation and invite new recipients as people join your organisation. And that's how you start chats in HotHealth.